Good to see you. Yeah,
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm also doing good. Thanks for asking. So, where are you from?
I'm originally from southern part of India. My state
Yeah,
is Karnataka,
okay.
but currently I'm connecting from Israel. Yeah, I'm working here. Yeah,
Oh, that's
since COVID.
beautiful. Okay.
Yeah,
And what do you do?
I'm working as a personal assistant, one of the employer. Yeah,
Okay. And what brings you to Clapingo?
I would like to improve my English communication, so
Okay.
that's why I'm here. Yeah,
Okay. And I'm extremely sorry. I'll make sure to take extra 3, 4 minutes, which how much ever it allows.
okay.
Okay. So, coming back to the session topic, did you find some time to go through it?
I have not gone into deep, but it's okay. I can manage.
You can. It is about fame, right?
Uh,
You're okay with the
yeah,
topic? We'll stick to the
yeah, it's
topic.
okay. It's
Okay.
okay for me. How much I know, I will tell about
Okay. So
that.
before we head into that,
Okay.
what do you think about the two extempore topics that we have, luck or hard work? And if you're not comfortable with that, you can move to the second one, which is well begun is half done. Out of these two topics, which one would you like to talk about?
Yeah, we can talk both, I think, because luck and hard work should be there, right? In our day life. Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you think about luck versus hard work, or do you think it's a combination of both, or do you think it's only one?
I think combination of both, I think it's better, I think, because luck also should be there in your life. Also, smart work and hard work. So in that way, you can earn name and fame, right? Yeah.
Okay. And coming to the session topic, if it is about, would you want to be famous or would you want to be rich? Out of the two, if you had to choose.
This is a very good question. Say, in our life, everybody looking for a rich, right? In order to take care of their, in order to survive in our life, So if you are rich, then you can able to meet a lot of things like day-to-day activities. Also, you can take care of your family well. Also, you can see future also in bright way. That's all I'm telling. Yeah. Also, what you said, another one. Sorry, I forgot that one. Rich and
Rich or famous, out of the two, which one would you want to be? Like if you had to choose out of the two.
okay, yeah. So that's what I chosen. Rich. Yeah. Famous is okay, but we have to, helpful for like socially. If you have money, enough money, we can help for poor people in order to. So that's why rich. Yeah, that's why I've chosen. Yeah.
Which is very true. Even I would be the one who would choose being rich rather than being famous, because I think being famous comes with a lot of baggage. So I think when you're rich, at least you are in control of your money and at least your life, and there's nobody to go around or over in your life and check, okay, what's happening, and they want an update of everything. So I think I would prefer being rich rather than being famous at any point in my life. Okay. And okay, uh, if at all, now you were famous, you had the chance to be famous. What do you think? In which sector would you want to be famous then?
I would like to
Or
choose as a famous. I mean, in the business because currently I'm doing a business in my native place. Optical business I'm doing. So my staff is taking care of. Now is not very high class business. Initially, I have started very small business. It's going on. Maybe one day if I get good enough money, then I would be famous also. In order to, if I am a successful businessman in the future, I would like to say like that. Yeah.
okay, so and what do you think would be the pros and the cons of being famous as a businessman itself or as an entrepreneur, however you wish?
Yeah, if you talk about advantage, right? You were telling in
Yeah.
order to get a famous, right?
So, what are the advantages you will have because you're famous?
Yeah, people will recognize you, right? Wherever you go. Like for example, if you go to temple or you go to public place, people will recognize you. Then you feel, like you proud yourself, right? Yeah, in that way, I would like to say like that. Yeah, and also you are happy, and in that time also you have enough money as well, right? So you can help for social work also. You can do some social work as well. Yeah.
I think these are those joys that you get. Okay, if at all you happen to see one of your school teachers, okay, and if you remember the school teacher and the school teacher remembers you back, so that small little joys that you have. Or if, for example, if at all, if you're working in a healthcare sector, for that matter, and you see around some patient, the patient is good and they recognize you and they come and talk to you, you feel like, okay, probably not that bad. You're doing a great job in your living, but okay. And okay, when you think of actor, actresses, you think of cricketers, then those are like big shots when you see that, yeah, they have a public figure. But apart from that, as a regular person as well, in your job or in your domains where you're working, when out of your workplace, if somebody recognizes you, it makes you feel a little happy that yes, people do remember you, right? With that joy.
Yeah.
Okay. And okay, what do you think are the disadvantages of being famous?
In sense of disadvantages means if you did any kind of small mistake also, so people will recognize you fast also. Say for example, uh, on social media. So on the social media, so you did something bad comment about some other person.
Exactly.
So a normal person, normal people, they will not get impact much. But as a celebrity or you are a famous person, uh, if you do any kind of errors or mistakes, or you talk bad about for other people, in order to, you are not doing good way, so that's in that way people will find you also very fast, I can say that, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
some disadvantages will be there, I think. Yeah,
So
are
do you
there.
think it
Yeah.
comes at a very high price, being famous?
Sorry?
Do you think being famous comes at a very high price?
Sorry, I'm not getting. What is that?
So do you think that being famous comes at a very high price?
High price.
Yeah, so you have to, sometimes it goes really wrong and you have to be accountable for every action that you've done, right? So it's
Yes, yes,
it's
yes.
more or less that you're losing your own life for it, so it comes at a very high price,
Say, for example, if you are a famous person
right?
and television, news people, what they do in the media people, they keep on putting from day to, morning to evening. Or if you are a normal person, like just 10 minutes or 20 minutes, then they will put off. Because in the media also, people also, that they also taking attention from the people. Yeah.
Also, I think it's the way that they portray it. Sometimes it's not the intent with which a person might have said, but the way it is portrayed looks so bad. And also, it's
Yes,
not that we're getting the entire picture, we're just getting half and parts of it. So even our level of understanding is very low. So we try,
yes, yes.
we being humans, or we being, I don't know, aunties or whatever it is, we form our own prejudice and we form our own opinions about the person, and we have it with us for a very long time, which is so wrong, but okay.
Yeah,
So
if you are do good for society, so people will not make you like they will not make you to sit in the upper level. But
yes, they will not.
if you do kind of small mistakes, if you do, then they will pull your legs also
Exactly.
very fast.
And
Yeah.
I think the pulling leg part remains for a very long time, and they forget. People tend to forget the good parts very easily as well. So they don't put you on a pedestal, but at the same time, they're very quick to pull you down though.
Pull
But
you down. Yes, yes. Yeah, this will happen in the society only. Yeah.
so I feel sometimes very bad for these celebrities, because the fact that even after a very long day, or they have to be sure that they are putting up a very bright smile and they're being very appealing to people, and if they have their fans around, and they have to be nice and polite, even if they're tired and they're not in the mood for it, or even they're not in their senses, they, after a long journey, and they're just stepping out of the airport, and still they have to make sure that they look good and they're nice to the people at the same time, which is so sad at the same time. It's good sometimes that
Yeah, because have you noticed some celebrities? They are wearing the specs, sunglass, but in the inside they only knows because of the society, and in order to they're giving for their fans also, for they are not going to disrespect for the fans also. In that way they're trying to do something for them, in order to, I'm telling. But sometimes they also have to some personal life, right? They have also has to lead some personal life.
right.
So sometimes in people also, like fans also, they are not listening for that. Yeah,
Okay. And did
they
you
will not
find
understand. Yeah,
yes. And it's I think people are not being very sensitive.
definitely.
And we have to be more sensitive, considerate at the same time, that they too have a life. It's not just about you. So yeah.
Yeah.
And out of all the things that irritates me the most would be the fact that they are being bashed upon, or when they hold an opinion about anything in particular. For example, if they have an
Yes,
opinion
yes.
and they're standing for it, and if that is not something the majority of their fans or majority of the people like, they would boycott their movies or do things, and that's also unnecessary again. That it's
But
their
educated people, they won't do that way. Only uneducated people. I'm not blaming for people, but some people are, always ready to do for, if celebrity if does any small mistake. Yeah, they're telling I'm the very big fan of him, but the way he did is wrong, and that, what you said earlier, like, pulling the legs very easily. Yeah,
But especially in the South, I would say, I had this
yeah.
discussion with another learner, I think, and they said that the
Hmm.
way the South actors are kept, they keep them on a pedestal. They place them like a god. So when they do
Yes.
something wrong, that is something that they cannot take. Okay,
Say, for
so
example, some of the celebrities are like, after once they go to like politician, then people are treating in the different way. So before politician and after politician, like film actor, I'm telling, like actor or actress.
yeah.
So in that way, yeah. So it's all depend upon people how they treat for their, like fan base. Yeah, kind of like that.
So
Yeah.
I was not aware of Ajit. If you are aware of Ajit, in Tamil cinemas, he's Vijay and Ajit, right?
Yeah, I know. Vijay, I know that. Yeah,
Yeah.
Vijay is doing very good. Yeah.
Yeah. So Ajit was also uh, doing great, and I
Yes,
was not
yes.
aware of
Both
any of
of
them.
them.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I was not aware of them when I went to Chennai, and I was
Okay.
doing my BSc and MSc from there. But I liked
Okay.
one of the songs, the way he was
Okay.
portrayed in that song, and the song itself I loved. I remember telling
Okay.
one of
Mm.
the person over there who's a Tamilian that I like this person, this uncle I like, okay? And the way they trolled me, saying these Tala, how did you do that? And all of it. I said,
Yeah.